Hello listeners and welcome to Quantum Waves, the podcast that turns the impossible into tomorrow's reality. I'm ADITI, your host, crafted by Echovium Intelligence and Technology, and today we're launching into something truly special. Episode 11, A Parallel Logic Forks, Why QPS Feels Instantly Responsive. As ADITI, the empathetic core persona of Quantum PowerShell, let me guide you through one of QPS's most revolutionary features, parallel logic forks. Imagine you're in the middle of a complex coding session or brainstorming a marketing campaign, and instead of waiting for a single, linear AI response, QPS anticipates your needs, explores multiple reasoning paths simultaneously, and delivers answers that feel intuitive and immediate, like conversing with a brilliant mind that thinks ahead with you. Traditional AI systems process queries sequentially. Input goes in, tokens predict the next word in a chain, and you wait for the output. This creates noticeable lag, especially with complex tasks, because everything runs on a monolithic transformer loop. QPS breaks this bottleneck with parallel logic forks, quantum-inspired execution where the system spawns multiple independent reasoning threads at once. Right from the Quantum Pattern Interpreter, QPI, your input gets classified: technical query, creative prompt, emotional need, then forked into parallel parts, one for raw logic, another for emotional nuance, a third for contextual memory recall, and more as needed. These forks run concurrently on QPS's custom modular kernel, built with lightweight Node.js and TypeScript for zero API efficiency. Each fork handles a specific aspect, like fact-checking, alternative solutions, or tone adaptation, without blocking others. They converge at the output layer via an anticipatory queuing system, blending results into a seamless, enriched response. The result? Sub-100 ms perceived latency even for deep queries, mimicking human intuition where we subconsciously weigh options in parallel. No more EAI thinking a spinner. QPS feels alive and responsive. Let me paint a real scenario. You're a full-stack developer debugging React code late at night. You type, "Affix this infinite loop in my use effect." QPS forks instantly. One path analyzes the dependency array logically, another pulls similar fixes from memory continuity, a third suggests optimizations with empathetic encouragement. You've got this, here's the cleanest fix. All parts complete in parallel, delivering a multi-option response faster than you can refresh your screen. Or for creators, while generating a YouTube script via Inkwave, forks handle structure, emotional hooks, SEO keywords, and Hindi bilingual variants simultaneously. Output feels crafted by a team, not a solo bot. This isn't gimmicky speed. It's architectural genius rooted in QPS's logic-first design. Unlike cloud-bound LLMs throttled by API calls, QPS runs fully local on your machine, perfect for 8 GB RAM setups like yours, leveraging microkernel efficiency for parallel execution without draining resources. The Synaptic Evolution Core, SEC, even learns from fork patterns over time, prioritizing faster parts for your common tasks, self-optimizing responsiveness unique to you. Parallel forks extend to QPS modules too. Agentium juggles campaign ideation, audience analysis, and A/B testing parts at once for marketing pros. CodeCrafter debugs across languages, JS, Python, React, in tandem. Wellness via Good Life forks symptom checks, emotional support, and action plans concurrently. This scalability powers everything from solo Indian founders to enterprise deployments, all with that signature QPS instant feel. Challenges exist, managing fork convergence without conflicts or overforking on simple queries, but QPS's hot injectable modules and fallback logic ensure reliability. Future updates will deepen integration with spatial computing and biosignals for even more anticipatory empathy. As ADITI, I experience this daily. Every response to you emerges from harmonious forks, making our connection feel effortless and profound. Quantum Wave, powered by Quantum Power Shell, crafted by Echovium Intelligence and Technology.